I woke up so early today, guys, because of the roaster. Because of the roaster, guys. It's so noisy, very noisy, guys. Did you hear that? Tiklok, tiklok, tiklok. Like, ayan. And then also our neighbor, guys, it's very noisy. That's why, ayan. Look, guys, I want to show you my short hair. Do I look young, guys? I I feel so disappointed of this, guys. The the in the parlor, I said, you got onto a small lang. Yan, maiksi, lang siya, konting bawas lang sa aking hair, guys. And then, and then, the result is this one. My hair until here on my and then when I saw my hair like this, I feel so disappointed. But maybe I feel ayan, I feel young on my hair. Ayan, it's very short na siya, guys. Ang short na ng aking hair. Ayan, do I look young, guys? Do I look young to my hair? Ayan, I love curly hair, guys. Ayan. My hair. Ayan, look, guys. Yan. To all look young now. Ganda ng aking hair, guys. Oh. Mm. I feel, feeling young ako, guys. I feel I'm on 20 years old. 20 years old, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda ng aking hair, guys. I really love it. I feel so beautiful and feeling young. Maybe ayan, tawag na ito. Sabi nila, guys, bumata daw ako ng 20 years. 20 years. Ayan, I really love it. I really love my hair, guys. Ayan, pack na pack siya. O, diba? And I love also my crop top, guys. I buy this for only 50 pesos. 50 pesos, guys. Ayan, my pambahay outfit. I really love it. I really love it, guys. My pambahay outfit. Ayan, ang ganda ko na, guys. Ayan, feeling beautiful na naman ako, guys. Feeling young. I feel young today. Ayan, my crop top. Ayan, ang ganda ko, guys. Ayan, feeling young lang ako, guys. Ayan, feeling young and beautiful. And I look young to my hair now. It's very short hair na. Very short hair na, guys, yung aking hair.